Charger. Okay, so what I did yesterday is I mowed this down to 3 millimeters with my old Scott Bonner, which is sort of like my hack mower. As you can see, it's a little bit patchy, still recovering from its renovation. I really dug into it quite a bit. Dug into it through here. As you can see, we really need some leaf growth, and that's what Charger does. It's a promoter. In a nutshell, what Charger does is it really makes that surge leaf growth, and it's also a useful fertiliser for winter when you want to actually cause some growth when there's not much growth happening. Okay, so I'm putting my Charger down as a minimum application, which is 200 mils per 100 square metres. I've got 60 square metres, so I'm using 120 mils, and 3 litres of water is what my sprayer uses for the area. So I'm gonna... Shake, shake, shake.
Now it is looking really fantastic with the colour, and although this is looking good, it's not consistent enough for me. I'm pretty fussy, so that's why I'm getting the grooming to remove the laterals. And I gave this a 5mm mow on the 22nd of October, and I did that just to attack it that little bit more, because the future idea is that I want it to grow in again for the cut that I'm going to do in a few days after that.
The lawn is absolutely looking fantastic. It just is so impressive, and yeah, that Charger really got it going. And you know, I haven't reached this level of quality this time of the season before, so it just shows you how good the product is. It's actually out on Monday. Some of the retailers have already ordered it, so it should be hitting the stores Tuesday, Wednesday, thereabouts is my guessing. But I'll give this a mow today. Let's have some fun.
Here's what I like: laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts, so then we take a ride wherever. I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces, wood. I'm not backing down.
It is a bit long for a putting green at 5mm. You really wanted it 2 or 3mm, but the Swardman isn't a greens mower. 5mm is really about all the snakes will like. This is my new weapon I got from Drum and Golf at Enfield. Oh, see the roll of that? That was alright. If I had my proper hole there with the flag, that might have dropped. Alright, I'll give it one more try, but one more try only. We don't want to be hit all day. But the roll is really nice actually. It's fantastic. Oh! That's it. That seals the deal. Charger is just awesome for the lawn. Get your lawn on.
Take a look at the trouble.